So children, in the previous video we discussed that up to 5 questions, no? So in this video we are going to discuss the questions from 6 onwards. So let us see that 6th question what they given. If P is equals to 32 power 4 whole power 5. Okay, where P power 5 is equals to 32 power m whole power 4. Then we need to find that P into m value we need to find that. P into m value we need to find that. So first what they given here, P is equals to here 32 power 4 whole power 5. And here they given one more condition. What is that? P power 5 is equals to 32 power m whole power 4. Okay, so from this one here we need to find that P value and m value also. So let us check that here. So P power 5, we can write this one as 32 power 4 whole power 5. This is the value of P. So P is equals to 32 power 4 whole power 5. And still we are having here 5. Okay, so which is equals to 32 power m into 4, which is equals to 4m. Which is equals to 4m. This is also do like that. So 32 power 5 5s 25, 25 4s 100. Okay, which is equals to 32 power 4m. So here we can say that as the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal. So depends on that condition. Here exponents. So from this one 4m is equals to 100. So m is equals to 100 by 4. So 4 1s 4 25s. So m is equals to here 25. Understand? So what is the value of m here? M is equals to 25. Okay. So from this one here we can say that here just substitute P power 5 is equals to 32 power. Here m is equal to 25, no? So 25 whole power 4. So we can write this one as P power 5 is equals to here 32 power 4, and here we can say that power 5 whole power 5 we can write that. Okay, so from this one what is the value of a P here? So 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So P is equals to 32 power 4 5s 20. So this is the value of a P. Okay, now they are asking here what is the value? P into m value they are asking. Okay, so from this one P is equals to 32 power 20. Okay, and in the same way m is equals to 25. M is equal to 25. Now what they are asking? P into m. So P into m is equals to 32 power 20 into 25. Okay, so as per that options what they given here? Yes. Okay, we can write here this one as 32 power 5 into, here we can write this one as 5 square. At that case is 5 square, no? So we can write this one as 32 power 4. 4 or 10. So 32 power 10 into 5 square. Okay, so we can write this one as 32 power 10 into 5 square. Shall we write like that? Okay, why? Because AB whole power m is equals to A power m into B power m. Okay, so at that cases here how we written this one means just observe that 32 into, we can write this one as 2 into 10. And in the same way 5 square. So here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there. So from that one I written that 32 power 10 into 5 whole square. Understand? So this is the answer. So answer is in this form now. So that's why we have to change like that. So 32 power 10 into 5 whole square. Again we will get it as 32, 10 to 20. So 32 power 20 into 5 square. Understand children? So here option C is the correct answer. Next let us check that 7th one. So 7th question, what is that? See here. If x power 4 is equals to 16, x power 4 is equal to 16. Next, y power 5 is equals to 243. So here we need to find that x and y values. Why? Because x into y value we need to find out, no? So before that we have to find x and y values. So 16 is there. So 16 we can write it as x power 4 is equals to 2 power 4. Yes or no? 2 power 4 value is 16 only, no? So that's why x power 4. If the exponents are equal, then their bases must be equal. So x is equal to 2. We got that x value. From this one, y is equal to, you don't know how to write the 243 as the power. Okay, at that cases, just go for that prime factorization. Okay, so 3 8s 24, so 3 81s. Next, 3 27s 81, 3 9s 27, 3 3s 9. So from this one we can say that 3 power 1 2 3 4 5. So 3 power 5 is equals to 243. So y power 5 is equals to 3 power 5. So here also exponents are equal means its bases also equal. So from this one x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. What we need to find out? X into y. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Understand, ma? So which option is correct here? Yes, option A is correct. That is 6. Understand? Yes. So next say that 8th question. So what is the 8th question here? If A, B, C, D, P, Q, R are first 7 natural numbers. Okay, what they given? A, B, C, D, P, Q, R are first 7 natural numbers. Then A plus B plus C plus P plus Q plus R whole power A plus B plus C plus D plus Q plus R. Okay, so first we have to write all these values. Okay, so what they given, ma? These all are that first 7 natural numbers. 7 natural numbers means a natural number starting with 1. So that's why here A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4 and P is equals to 5, Q is equal to 6, R is equal to 7. Understand? So just substitute that values here. A plus B plus C. Here D didn't give. Just observe that D not given. Plus P plus Q plus R. Okay. Whole power A plus B plus C plus D. Here D given but P not given. So Q plus R. Understand? Now substitute all the values. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus P is equal to 5, 6, 7. Whole power. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and 5 not given. P not given, no. So 6 plus 7. Understand? So see that 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21 plus 2 23 plus 1 24. Am I clear to you? Yes. So here 24 power 5, 5, 10, 11, 17, 24. So 24 power here again say that. So 6 plus 4 is 10 and 7 plus 3 is 10. So 20, 23. So 24 power 23. 24 power 23. Now what they are asking here? In the form of yes. Children, see here. Actually here these options how they given means let us take that 24 is equal to y. Let as per that options only. Up to that question this is the answer. But options they are given differently. So let y is equal to 24. Y is equal to 24. At that cases here this one we can write it as y power 24 means this is 24 minus 1. Shall we write like that? So y power y minus 1 is the answer. 24 power 24 minus 1 is 23. So y power y minus 1. So option A is true here. Okay children, just a little bit different they given. So no need to confuse, just they give, just we have to take it, just we have to substitute at the place of y is equal to 24. In that question they didn't mention, but as per that options we have to go. Okay, so here answer is y power y minus 1. Clear? Yes. So let us check that question number 9. What is that? If x is equals to a power b into a power c into a power d into and so on, where b, c, d are the first 5 multiples of 2. B, C, D and so on are that first 5 multiples of 2. Okay. So what they are asking here? So first 5 multiples of 2. So B is equals to here. B is equals to first 5 multiples, no? So 2. C is equal to 4. D is equals to 6. Next, let us take that E, not mentioned, no? So that's why here E is equal to 8. F is equal to 10. Why? Because 5 multiples they said, but here they didn't mention up to. B, C, D only mentioned, E and F not mentioned. So that's why we can take that E and F. Okay. So here x is equals to a power b into a power c into a power d into a power e into a power f. Actually, this is the question. Understand? So from this one here, a power b is equals to 2 into a power 4, a power 4 into a power 6 into a power 8 into a power 10. So here we can use that one of the formula. What is that? This is in the form of a power m into a power n into a power x into a power y into and so on, which is equals to a power m plus n. Okay, so a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n formula is. Okay, that is the general form they given. So directly we can use the formula. Okay, so from this one here, a power 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. Okay, so here a power 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20 and here 30. So a power 30, or else 6 plus 4 is 10, 8 plus 2 is 10 and here 10. So totally 3 tens there, so 30. Okay, so from this one here, x value is a power 30. X is equals to a power 30. Okay, now which value we need to find out? X into x square into x cube value we need to find out. Okay, before going to substitute, here again use the formula as a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So x power 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equals to x power 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 6. Okay, now directly we can find the value of x power 6. So x power 6 is equals to a power 30 whole power 6. So a power 6 3s are 18. So a power 180. A power 180. So here option C is true here. Understand, children? So a power 180 is that correct answer. So see that question properly after just the reading you first 5 multiples of 2. So just take the multiples of 2. After substitution, here we use 2 formulas. What are those 2 formulas? One is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. And here we use the formula as a power m whole power n is equals to a power m into n. Mostly these 2 formulas we have to use here. Okay. So let us check the next question. And the final question. So what is that? If 2x cube y square. What is that? If 2x cube y square whole square into 4a square b cube whole cube is equal to p. Understand? That is the value of p. Where x is equals to 2y, y is equals to 3a, a is equal to 4b and b is equal to 2. Then the value of p. Okay, just a chain system they given. See here. X is equals to 2y. Y is equals to 3a. A is equal to 4b and they given b is equal to 2. Okay, so one of the value they given, that is the b value. So by using that b value we have to find that x, y, a, these 3 values we need to find that. So b is equal to 2. So a is equals to 4 into 2, which is equals to 8. So a is equal to 8. Next, y is equals to 3 into a, which means 3 into 8. 3 8's 24. Clear? Y is equal to 24. Next, x is equals to 2 into y. So 2 into 24, which is equals to 48. So these are the values of x, y and ab. Okay. So those values substitute here. 2 into x is equals to 48 whole cube and y is equals to here 24 whole square whole power 2 into, okay, so 4 into a is equals to 8 square into b is equals to 2 cube whole power 3, which is equals to p, okay. Now, yes, so 2 into, here 2 square is there, no? Okay, see here, we can write this one as a 2 square into 48 cube into 24, sorry, just we have to apply here a 2 square into 48 power 3 into 2 is 3 2s 6 into 24 power 2 2s 4, clear, into here 4 cube into 8 power 2 3s is 6 into 2 power 3 3s is 9, which is equals to p. Understand? So substitute these values, just simplify it. So 48 power, just leave the 2 square and 4 cube, we will write that one, 48 power 6 into 24 power 4, 6 into 24 power 4 into, okay, just we will write these two later. Next 8 power 6, 8 power 6 into 2 power 9, 8 power 6 into 2 power 9, still we are having leftover 4 cube and 2 square, okay, so into 4 cube into 2 square, understand? So this value is equals to p. So from this one, 48 power 6 into 24 power 4 into 8 power 6 into 2 power 9 into, here 4 cube, 4 4 16, 16 4 64, 64 into 2 square is 4, which is equals to p. So 48 power 6 into 24 power 4 into 8 power 6 into 2 power 9 into 64 into 4, which is equals to 256 is equal to p. So that is the value of p, okay. So the same option is there or not, see here, p is equals to 256, all the options are having 256, so leave that, 256, next 48 power 6, so 48 power 6, next 24 power 4, so this option is wrong. So 256, 48 power 6, 24 power 4, next here 8 power 6, so 8 power 5 is there, so that's why these two options wrong, and here 48 power 5 is there, so this option also wrong. And come to this one, 256 and here 48 power 6, so 48 power 6, next 24 power 4, so here 24 power 4, next 8 power 6, so here 8 power 6, next 2 power 9, so 2 power 9. So which option is satisfying here? Option A is satisfying here. So what is the answer for that question 10? So here answer A is that, option A is that correct answer here, that is the 256 into 48 power 6 into 24 power 4 into 8 power 6 into 2 power 9. Am I clear? So that is the value of P. So children, these are the problems from that worksheet 1. Okay. In that next video, we will meet with worksheet 2. Okay. Thank you all.